America, Mami. Tapos ka na sa immigration.
So this is the time that we will be going back to US, and sa time na to kasabay namin sa pag-alis ang nanay ko, and it's her first international trip and also her first time to be in America. And after ng mahabang panahon ng process sa pag-approve ng petition at hanggang sa ma-issue yung visa, finally makakaalis na rin siya. Temporarily saying goodbye to other members of my family, but I'm hopeful and I'm continuously praying that one day makakasunod din sila.
Okay. Mami, excited ka?
Excited.
Ano na-feel mo? Ano nararamdaman mo?
Okay lang naman.
First international flight ni Mami, ng nanay ko. Ayan siya. Punta na kami sa check-in ng Korean Air.
We fly from Mactan Cebu International Airport, then going to Incheon in Seoul, Korea. And then may connecting flight kami from Incheon going to Washington, D.C. So far, maayos naman yung Mactan Cebu International Airport. Hindi siya masyadong matao, hindi katulad sa NAIA. And also, super excellent service yung sa wheelchair assistant kasi talagang na-assist nila yung mother ko ng maayos.
This is the day that yung nanay ko is going to America and it's her first international flight. So yung flight namin is like 12:40 a.m. via Korean Air. So we already passed the immigration. So kinuha yung, of course, passport with visa, and then yung CFO certificate, and then nagbayad din kami ng travel tax which is 1,620 pesos. So since senior citizen na si mother, meron siyang wheelchair assistant. So very very easy at very smooth naman yung pagpasok namin. And then since mayroong maintenance na dala yung nanay ko, mga gamot. So pina-check binuksan yung carry-on luggage niya, and buti na lang meron kaming dalang prescription and then yung medical certificate from the doctor and notes from the doctor, nagdala din kami. So dahil kompleto naman yung papers namin, sabi nga nila sobrang binuksan ng buo yung container na mayroong mga gamot. So ito si mother ngayon, waiting na kami for boarding. Medyo matagal pa kasi na-delay siya for 40 minutes. So mami, anong nararamdaman mo?
Yeah.
Kinabahan ka ba sa kanina kasi chinecheck yung sa immigration?
Ano yung parang natatakot ako, baka hindi matuloy. Yun ang nararamdaman ko. So baka ibalik ako doon sa aming bahay.
So ngayon, napipil mo na lumampas na tayo sa immigration.
Kaya ako dahil matutuloy na rin.
Ayan. Pag-alis. So, matagal na panahon yung inantay ng nanay ko kasi nag-start ako ng petition sa kanya in September of 2022. And finally, after almost 2.5 years, makakaalis na din siya. And she's almost 80 years old and this is her first international flight. So guys, samahan niyo kami sa video na to, and tingnan natin yung experience ng nanay ko as she traveled to US for the first time. Ito pala yung Mactan Cebu International Airport, and thankful ako na dito yung airport namin kasi mas mas kaunti ang tao compare sa NAIA. And then, ayun, very smooth lang talaga yung sa immigration. So, ayan, nag-aantay kami ng boarding time namin. Ayan, dahil matagal ang pag-aantay sa boarding time namin, ayan si Mother knockout, diba? With snow, loud snow. Siguro hindi siya nakatulog pag-aantay ng upcoming trip. Yung mga nakaraang araw, hirap na siyang makatulog kasi she's looking forward for the trip niya papuntang US. So, ayan. The flight number K is 616 bound to Seoul Incheon. So, I think our boarding time is 12:30. The time of departure is 12:50. And that's the Korean Air kung saan kami sasakay, which is bound to Seoul Incheon. Konting oras na lang, then it will be our boarding time. Praying for a safe trip. So we are here in Cebu Mactan International Airport waiting for our flight, which is 12:50 a.m.
So it's February 13, 2025. Yung mga naka-wheelchair assistants, katulad ng nanay ko, nauna silang pumunta sa plane, nag-board sa plane nung boarding time na. So, kasama na din kami doon, kasama yung mga kasamahan nung passenger na naka-wheelchair assistant. So, thumbs up for the Korean Air for doing that kasi mas nauna pa kaming sumakay more than doon sa naka-business class or naka-first class na passenger. Yun lang pala dun sa mag-a-avail ng wheelchair assistant, better to have ready cash na ibibigay dun sa nag-a-assist sa wheelchair, sa parent nyo, kasi nung kami, wala kaming cash, and then nag-try kaming maghanap sa airport sa Cebu, wala din ATM sa loob, and then yun, sayang, hindi kami nakapag-tip kasi ang bait pa naman nila, super nice yung nag-assist sa nanay ko.
So we're inside the plane now. We boarded already, and dito siya, nanay ko. Say hi. Ayan. My husband. Good job to the Korean Air. Great job giving privileges to the senior citizen because sila yung unang pinapasok sa aeroplano. And they are all very accommodating, especially yung nag-assist sa nanay ko sa wheelchair. They are really excellent. They really did an excellent job. And yeah, praying for a safe trip. And mother is here. Is happier now. Dito na kami sa Incheon International Airport in Seoul, Korea. We're waiting for our flight going to Dallas, Washington, D.C. Ayan siyang nanay ko. So far, so good. Everything went smoothly sa flight from Cebu. Always, Korean Air did an excellent job. We're here at Incheon International Airport waiting for our flight going to Washington, D.C. Our flight is scheduled at 10:15 a.m. So we have a 4 hours, I think 4.5 hours layover here. We arrived around
6:15 or 6:30 a.m. from Cebu Mactan International Airport. So far so good with the Korean Air. They did an excellent service. And ito na si Mother. Pahinga. Arriving in Incheon International Airport, since naka-wheelchair assistant si nanay ko, nahiwalay siya sa amin kasi sumakay sila papunta sa gate, and then kami naglakad lang. Medyo malayo yung gate from kung saan gate kami nag-arrive, and then nag-go through security. So yun, so far okay naman, wala namang problema. Medyo lang concerning yung nahiwalay kami sa kanya, pero okay naman. So far nagkita naman kami sa gate. So yun, thumbs up sa wheelchair assistant ng Korean Air. They did a great job.
이게 이제 여러 사고난 데 보면 숫자를 씁니다.
Go back.
Window?
Sleeping again. Welcome to America, Mommy. Tapos ka na sa immigration. For the delayed caption sa video ko, pero nung kausap niya yung immigration officer, simple lang naman yung tanong sa kanya, like saan siya titira sa US, sino ang titirahan niya, at ano yung pangalan ng titirahan niya. So, parang ganun lang yung naalala ko. And then, I end up translating for her kasi hindi naman siya ganun kakomportable mag-English or di niya masyadong maintindihan yung English. So far so good. And then, tinanong lang din ng officer kung ma-declare kami. And then, sabi ko yung medicine ng nanay ko, tinanong lang niya kung mayroon akong dalang prescription. And sabi ko meron. And it's all good. And then, he said, welcome to America para sa nanay ko. And from there, dun natapos yung journey ng nanay ko para makarating siya dito sa US. Next is to wait for her green card and social security na hopefully dumating soon. And dun, thank you all for watching. See you on my next video.